So Twin just dropped 2 huge updates and I'm going to tell you about them in today's video. And to be honest, it's stuff that you've been waiting for a long time. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get straight into the video. So if you don't already know, Twin is an AI agent tool that you can explain what you want in plain English and it will do it. Whether that be business operations, research, whatever you could possibly imagine, Twin can build it. And not just build it, but do it once and make it work forever. Even if it breaks, it will fix it. It will go in and fix what the problem is and find a solution. And you can't really say that for n8n, Zapier, Make.com, can you? But let's say you do use n8n. Wouldn't it be good if you could integrate your n8n automation into Twin? Well, that leads me on to our main update. Now you can integrate n8n instances inside of Twin. All you have to do is literally go down to the settings in the bottom left-hand corner, click settings, then go to this new section that says import from n8n. And then all we're going to do is type in our instance URL and our API key. Then, as you can see, all you got to do is click connect and fetch workflows. And then you can literally go through all of the workflows that you already have inside of n8n, which is crazy. Then just simply pick the ones that you want. Like, for example, I want this UI product one. I want this AI agent workflow, and then click continue. And then you can describe where you want it to go, and then simply click review and import. And that's literally it. From there, it's going to import those n8n instances inside of your Twin account, and then you can start using them inside of your Twin. This was something that was super requested, and we decided to build it in what? A couple weeks maximum. We're moving fast here. We're literally doing everything we can to give you a great product. We're even buying random LED lights, for example. And the second big thing that you guys asked for was making a Twin API. So what we've went ahead and done is create our own API for Twin. This means that you can take the API and use it with your external tools. You can use it in the terminal. You can use it with the existing tools that you're using. You can literally do anything you want with it. And now Twin can still be there even when you're not on the platform. Now we've released a full documentation on how this works, and I'll put that in the link in the description. And again, all you need to do to find that is click in the bottom left-hand corner, click settings, and then click API key. And then all you got to do is create one. So you could say like, Ryan's new API key. Click create key, and then bang, you've got your own API key. And if you ever want to, revoke it, you can just click revoke, just like I'm doing right here. And that's it. At the end of the day here at Twin, we're trying to drop the best product updates on the market every single week and every single month. I hope you appreciate this, and I'll see you in the next video.